Welcome back to Pinchgut Creek Farms. As you can see on our brand new built gear stand, we got the Weaver's feller belt. We're going to take the belt off the stand, put it on the table, and break her down for you. Stay tuned. Alright, before we get to the new belt here on the channel, I want to show you what we were using before. So this is just a shoulder strap off of your common work harness, and this is a pretty nice belt, decent belt. Man, this thing's always pulling on me, pulling my shirt up, pulling my pants down, just horrible out in the woods, right? So I made this sheath here out of aluminum. Nearly impossible with what I had to work with at the time to make it where I could get the axe in and out of there with it on my back. And then you got all the sharp edges where I attempted to put some softener on there, but it didn't work too good. It did have a very nice IFAK. I still may use this one. We'll see. And that's an old military ammo pack. And then had a regular work pouch for the wedges, which was okay. Not ideal though. Carrying this around in the woods, it didn't take long. You were tired of it being on you. So that's where it stayed. It stayed on the ground somewhere else, right? So now we're going to look into the Weaver feller belt. Alright guys, here is the new Weaver feller belt. You can see good straps with good metal buckles on everything. On the front strap, the chest strap, does come with a whistle. I hope to never need a whistle, but better to need it not have it not need it. Sorry, that was backwards. Better to have it not need it than to need it not have it. A little dyslexic. Okay, right there is the first aid kit IFAK that it comes with. This comes empty. Everything's empty, and there's no wedges, no axe, no IFAK kit, no actual response tools in there. But I have everything in there I need, or I feel that I would need if I have an accident with a chainsaw, an axe, or anything for major bleeding, okay? It all fits in there. I got a Cat 5 or a Cat 7 tourniquet. Blood clot, trauma shears, tape, pretty much everything, okay? In that pack. Like I said, my other pack was bigger, but that will get the job done. And I go a little overboard as well. Alright, right here we have the axe pouch. This is Weaver's edition. I mean, riveted. Got softeners in there, if you can see that. Made out of nylon. That way you don't cut through the metal or the leather. Really big sheath there. And it has no problem holding that axe. You can walk around out in the woods. It's not coming out. Pull it out. I will be upgrading to a bigger axe head at some point. Just not. Alright guys, sorry about that. Lost audio on the last video, so I'm going to fix it here. I'm going to try the belt on. Let you see what it looks like with it on and loaded. There's a good look at the back of the belt. and the front. Start by buckling the chest strap, then the belly strap, and load the wedge pouch. So it's full, and once it's full, you don't have to worry about wedges coming out of there. Axe, into the axe pouch, just flip it around, put it in, and then you are loaded. As you can see, it ain't coming out no matter what you do, but it does come out the pouch pretty easy. Ready for banging some wedges. Another thing I want to show you on this wedge pouch is you have a hook for hooking, like say, your tape on there. You also have places for scrunches and all that good stuff. That is the Weaver feller belt. Got it from Amazon on a deal. I've been waiting for it for a long time. Been saving up for it for a long time. Go get you one. Alright guys, that's the video I had for today. If you know of any other videos you want me to make, just comment down there below and we'll do our best to make them. Y'all come back to Peach Cut Creek Farms.